Let's see the nutrients. Number 1, rich in antioxidants. Number 2, natural detoxifier. Number 3, good source of fiber. Number 4, rich in protein and iron. Number 5, it's gluten-free. Anyone who would like to have gluten-free food in their diet, I strongly recommend black rice. These are the ingredients you'll need. Black rice, powdered brown sugar, cardamom, coconut that is shredded, and water. So 1 cup of black rice, this is the measurements, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 3 crushed cardamoms, and 1/2 cup of coconut, and 2.5 cups of water. Now we're going to take 1 cup of black rice and rinse it in the water, so when you eat it, you won't have any dirt in your mouth. That's 1. Now let's take 2 cups of water. 1 and 2. Now let's rinse it properly with our hands. It might stick to your fingers, but it's okay. Let this soak overnight in the water so it'll get softer. Now that it's overnight, the water is going to turn into a red color, more or less like a dark pink. So now let's take it to the kitchen. Now we're going to put in the black rice with the water from yesterday inside this. So carefully, you gotta put everything inside. So if you got good stuff out of it, just take a spoon and push it in. Close the lid. And turn on the stove higher, so it'll cook faster. You have to wait until 4 whistles so it'll come really nicely and softly to eat. Usually if you're using white rice or some rice, you'll only need to wait until 3 whistles, but since it's a black rice, it takes longer to cook, so you'll need 4 whistles. So I'll meet you when the rice is done. Usually the rice takes 20 to 25 minutes, so it gets ready. Mine is ready now, so I'm going to take off this whistle thing that makes a sound. Here, now let's take off the lid. Come on, take a look. It's boiling, you can see the bubbles. So, we're going to add the brown sugar for making it sweet. So let's add it in gently. Careful not to get hurt by this. So let's gradually stir it until it melts. You shouldn't be able to see it when it's done. So now that it's done, it's time to add the coconuts. The coconut is for the taste. It gives it a good taste. So let's add it in. Time to stir it in. This looks good already, doesn't it? So, now that it's nice and mixed, time to add the 3 cardamoms. This gives an amazing scent and flavor. I love this because it's so good. I love this. So, now it's cooking and it's all mixed up. You can't really see anything, baby. So now it's time to serve. Guys, this is how it looks when it's served. It's nice and hot and smooth. So the oatmeal is ready. But you might just like it like this. But I have a secret ingredient. Not very secret, but it makes it taste better and gives it a good texture. I take shredded coconut, just sprinkle it on top. You don't have to do this step if you don't like coconut, but I really like coconut. So this is my secret ingredient. That is so good.